Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Bluetooth remote failed error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing Bluetooth remote failed error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simply how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open your device manager. Click on search menu, then type your device manager. You can see your device manager. Click on this. In this, you need to find Bluetooth. You can see Bluetooth. Double click on that. Select your driver. Right click on that. Click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for the drivers. Select this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your driver. Click on next and close this window. And close this window. Once you can see here you will find Bluetooth option. Beside that you will find airplane mode. You just need to once enable your airplane mode and disable it again. After that, click on search menu again, then type here services. Click on the services. Here you have to find Bluetooth. You can see here Bluetooth. You will find 2 to 3 options. Double click on that. Select as automatic. Then click on start. Then click on apply. Then click OK. Again double click on that. Second one. Select automatic. Click on start. Apply OK. Double click on third one. Select automatic, start, apply OK. Just stop it again and start. Then close this window. Click on start menu, then restart your PC. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Bluetooth remove failed error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.